Welcome everybody, my name is Lizzo and I'm happy to see you here on my channel today. So from the title of the video you can tell we're making fish today. We're making tilapia. You can literally have tilapia with a lot of things, like with fries, with bakku. I saw the Mexicans use tilapia for their tacos. Yeah, I never knew that, but tilapia has been used in so many meals. I made this baked tilapia on my Instagram about a week ago and I had some of you asking me if I could share the recipe. So yeah, when we talk about fish, like it puts a lot of people off because of the smell, the cleaning up and everything that comes with it. But hey, don't worry, I got you today. We're going to go step by step and we're going to make a delicious tilapia in the oven. It's gonna be... Without further ado, let's crack on. So we have our tilapia here. We're going to wash it and then start cleaning up. Take off the tail, the fins, the gills, and it's already been the scales have already been taken off, so that is really helpful. So don't be like me that put the knife back in the water. You need to take it out and make sure you don't cut yourself. So this bit here where you taking the gills out. This bit here, you would run the tub there to wash away the blood later on. Now take your scissors and use the back to scrape off any extra scales that were not able to be taken off. To run it smoothly across. Sometimes you might find little scales on, sometimes you wouldn't. So just take your time and run it through, because I hate scales. When I'm eating fish and I see scales, oh, it takes the heck out of me. So yeah, pass it through gently and calmly to avoid the water being splashed on your face. Now let's take the fish to the sink and wash it up. Don't forget the bit I told you to run the tap over there to wash away any extra blood and wash the fish properly. So now go get your knife again, but oops, I clean while I was cooking, so wipe away any Essex water or any fish stains while I was cooking. Now we have our fish here. Get your knife and we're going to cut little bits of the fish so we let the seasoning really penetrate into the fish. Do that to
both of the sides of the fish. There's nothing complicated here. You've just got basic ingredients and seasoning, which makes a big difference. Yeah.
So you're gonna need the olive oil, your salt. This, I use it for almost all of my stuff. So we're gonna use that as well. And then we're gonna use half of the onions, and then your garlic, your ginger, and your scotch bonnet. And then we're gonna squeeze a bit of lemon on it.
Now all the garlic, the scotch bonnet have been chopped. Add in your salt, just a tiny bit of water, and also your classico, which would go on your fish directly. Now cut a bit of lemon and squeeze the juice over the fish. Add a little bit of water. Let this sit in the water for about a minute or two. After, just rinse off the lemon juice off the fish. And now we're ready to add in our No Classico. It's literally my favorite. I use it for a lot of my meals. Here is the blended ingredients from earlier on. I did not blend the ingredients really smoothly because I want bits to come in. So here we've got our olive oil. I love Filippo Berrio, it's my favorite. Just add a little bit in your Paris bowl. Move it around, let it drizzle all around the base of this Paris bowl. Then we're going to add in our tilapia. The struggle is real over here, so I'm using one hand to record, one hand to do this. So pour in a little bit, dab the blended seasoning into the fish. See the bits that I had cut slightly, squeeze a bit of the ingredients in there because we want this ingredients to penetrate properly so the fish would be so tasty and juicy. So you do this for the other side as well. Turn it around, and also when you turn it around, we're going to put a little bit of the seasoning inside the fish as well. So we are literally bathing this fish with ingredients upon ingredients because that's what makes it juicy and actually nice. So I'm going to repeat on this side as well. Squeeze in the ingredients inside. You can see you've got bits of garlic and ginger in there. That's what we want. We don't want like a smooth blended seasoning, else I feel like it doesn't hit. So just make sure that the blend is smoothly. Dab it in, squeeze them into the little bits that I cut in. Sorry guys, I forgot to mention, you can wear a pair of gloves when doing this because my hands were burning after I did this. So add a bit of olive oil on top as well. We don't want the fish to stay dry, just a little bit. Cover it up and let it marinate for about 20 minutes. While the fish is marinating in the fridge, turn on your oven and set the timer. I normally use a fan oven and I think this temperature it's okay. Use the time that the oven is preheating to also clean up any mess you've done. I sadly lost the footage of the fish when it was done in the Paris bowl, so this was 10 minutes after it was in the oven, but I'm going to show you the one I did on my Instagram for you to see how it looks. So when the fish was done, you're definitely gonna get burnt bits around it, which is okay as long as it's not like black. But yeah, this was what I did. I did it quite a lot because it was family time, but this was slightly different because I didn't use onions. This is the original end product, so you can see we had slightly bit of bembe, but it is normal, okay? This was so nice. I chopped a bit of onions around it, and yeah, this is how we came out. So hey guys, I hope you enjoyed this video and it gave you a little bit of tips and ideas on how to clean and bake your tilapia. Let me know what you'd have this fish with in the comments down below. Leave this video a thumbs up, and in the meantime I'll catch you up all later. Thanks for watching. Bye.